I hope you have enjoyed the content I have been publishing. Since it was a ton of stuff including some tools, some articles, and a complete summary of all the talks at the recent CIMdata PDM Roadmap and Eurostep PDT conference, an index might be useful to find the posts most relevant to your questions about digital threads. Digital Threads Tools. Digital Threads Demystifier GPT, https://www.linkedin.com/posts/finocchiaro/digital thread chat 4 AI activity 71298406985471549445 DYPF. Demystifying Digital Threads Infographic. https://www.linkedin.com/feed/updates/earn:/lee:/activity:7131241463144689665 origin tracking ID $3D%3D. Digital Threads Carousel Series. 5 reasons to attend the CIMdata PDM Roadmap and Eurostep PDT Conference. https://www.linkedin.com/posts/finocchiaro/y come to the Eurostep CIMdata PDT come activity 71258508484751237112 and EF. 11 questions to prepare for the CIMdata PDM Roadmap and Eurostep PDT Conference. https://www.linkedin.com/posts/finocchiaro/11 questions to think about before the Palm activity 712617324276791296 MF8D. Question 01. Governance and Digital Threads. https://www.linkedin.com/posts/finocchiaro/ first of 11 questions 415-16 NOV in Paris activity 71269509082690888768 BFA. Question 02. Implementation of Digital Threads. https://www.linkedin.com/posts/finocchiaro/ implementing Digital Threads considerations activity 712729882972803073 RB/F. Question 03. External Digital Threads. https://www.linkedin.com/posts/finocchiaro/ connecting external sources to my digital activity 71275594012462243885 KMOI. Question 04. Securing Digital Threads. https://www.linkedin.com/posts/finocchiaro/ securing digital threads across product lifecycles activity 712801752915475660 B1 up. Question 05. Circular Economy and Sustainable Digital Threads. https://www.linkedin.com/posts/finocchiaro/ sustainability circular economy and digital activity 712802443843173171200008. Question 06. Legacy Data and Digital Threads. https://www.linkedin.com/posts/finocchiaro/ the impact of legacy systems digital thread activity 71283511268101734440 NYW8. Question 07. Resilience of Digital Threads. https://www.linkedin.com/posts/finocchiaro/ building resilience into digital threads activity 712835168374245785 New Jersey 4Z. Question 08. Configuration Management in Digital Threads. https://www.linkedin.com/posts/finocchiaro/ the intersection of digital threads and configuration activity 7128699382291423232009 AP. Question 9. Digital Twins and Digital Threads. https://www.linkedin.com/posts/finocchiaro/ digital twins and digital threads activity 712871830940697395 Question 10. Blockchain, AI, and Digital Threads. https://www.linkedin.com/posts/finocchiaro/ AI blockchain and digital threads activity 71290786144399114227 MTHG. Question 11. Explaining digital threads. https://www.linkedin.com/posts/finocchiaro/ explaining digital threads to non-practitioners. Activity 7129830285403119616-5 GWQ. LinkedIn articles about digital threads. AI in manufacturing. Transforming efficiency, quality, and sustainability. https://www.linkedin.com/posts/finocchiaro/ artificial intelligence manufacturing industry 50 activity 7129779185908101121 JCWQ. Digital thread, maximizing return on your innovative ideas. https://www.linkedin.com/pulse/digital-thread-maximizing-return-your-innovative-Michael-Finicaro. Demystifying digital twins using thread and straws. https://www.linkedin.com/pulse/demystifying-digital-twins-using-thread-straws-Michael-Finicaro. Demystifying digital thread and digital twin. https://www.linkedin.com/pulse/demystifying-digital-dilemmas-Michael-Finicaro. CIMdata PDM Roadmap and Eurostep PDT 2023. Jos Vosquel's famous event summaries. Part 1. https://virtualdutchman.com/2023/11/20/the-weekend-after-CIMdata-POM-roadmap-PDT-Europe-2023. Part 2. https://virtualdutchman.com/2023/11/2026/the-week-after-POM-roadmap-PDT. Part 3. https://virtualdutchman.com/2023/12/03/pom-roadmap-PDT-Europe-2023-the-final. Workshop. https://www.linkedin.com/posts/finocchiaro/ Eurostep activity 7130256355642273792 BWAN. Day 1. Keynote. Peter Bolello of CIMdata and Håkan Carden of Eurostep. https://www.linkedin.com/posts/finocchiaro/ CIMdata Eurostep PDT activity 7130474754263642112F0LD. Christine Renee McMonigal from Textron Systems highlighted key elements of digital transformation within the organization. https://www.linkedin.com/posts/finocchiaro/ PDT digital thread activity 7130481210706808832FKMH. Thought leadership number 1. David Sansom of Share PLM. https://www.linkedin.com/posts/finocchiaro/ CIMdata Eurostep activity 7130494109750681680FG5G. Thought leadership number 2. Gareth Webb of SAB. https://www.linkedin.com/posts/finocchiaro/ CIMdata Eurostep activity 7130494109750681680FG5G. Jim Roche of CIMdata shared insights from a survey conducted by the Aerospace and Defense PLM Action Group. https://www.linkedin.com/posts/finocchiaro/ live from Paris. Jim Roche of CIMdata activity 7130500930067689472 PLLA. Darren Nice MSc MBA FCCA of BAE Systems Digital Intelligence about getting business buy-in for digital threads initiatives. https://www.linkedin.com/posts/finocchiaro/ PDT digital threads activity 7130508265649500160 NVFO. Tobias Bauer of Leone speaking about digital continuity in his internal PLM/ERP project. https://www.linkedin.com/posts/finocchiaro/ PDT digital thread activity 713053847886957363308 MD. Erdal Tekens of Turkish Aerospace presentation about artificial intelligence collaboration revolutionizing digital twins and digital threads. https:// www.linkedin.com/posts/finocchiaro/PDT digital thread artificial intelligence activity 7130546381424861184Z0BD. Robert J. Rensher of Boeing talks about the progress made by the CIMdata and PLM Action Group, PAG, in researching standards of digital twins and digital threads, https://www.linkedin.com/posts/finocchiaro/CIMdata PDT digital thread activity 7130553914759700048-5ZRM. Thought leadership number 3 / Roger Cabot of Merrill, https://www.linkedin.com/posts/finocchiaro/PDT digital thread activity 7130559837092372550BBRA. Thought leadership number 4 Sebastian Gillen of Altium, https://www.linkedin.com/posts/finocchiaro/CIMdata PDT Eurostep activity 7130563765980270592MXCZ. Robert Gutwein, P.ENG. And Agnes Goralanjandot about enabling global collaboration inside the CIMdata and PLM Action Group. https://www.linkedin.com/posts/finocchiaro/CIMdata PDT Pratant Whitney activity 7130570598111436800 Cyril Bullard of Merson talks about his project of integrating PIM and PLM, https://www.linkedin.com/posts/finocchiaro/CIMdata Eurostep PDT activity 7130577421749141504-6 Mo. Jacob Assel of Modular Management talks about his Palma product. https://www.linkedin.com/posts/finocchiaro/CIMdata Eurostep PDT activity 7130581726648537089-19NF. Thought leadership number 6 Hedley Apperly about ALM at PTC, https://www.linkedin.com/posts/finocchiaro/CIMdata Eurostep PDT activity 7130584217285005312-2ZR. Etienne Panzart from SISTRA discusses the integration of product lifecycle management, PLM, in managing sustainable transportation infrastructure, https://www.linkedin.com/posts/finocchiaro/CIMdata Eurostep PDT activity 7130590871103668224 Day 2. David Henstock of BAE Systems Digital Intelligence about turning AI into operational reality. https://www.linkedin.com/posts/finocchiaro/PDT digital thread base systems activity 7130825284584382464FXWO. Mikkel Hagren Brynildsen of Grundfos about standardized ontologies as the glue to secure a quality digital thread and its impact on business. https://www.linkedin.com/posts/finocchiaro/PDY Grundfos digital threads activity 7130835992952893441 Transforming the PLM landscape. The Gateway to Business Transformation by Dr. Youssef Hushman of NEO, https://www.linkedin.com/posts/finocchiaro/digital transformation NEO PDT activity 7130842462318686208-2 and 42. Thought leadership number 7 from Alexis Mayland of Sinqua, https://www.linkedin.com/posts/finocchiaro/digital thread enterprise search PDT activity 7130845824367890433 RJ Ju. Thought leadership number 8 from Nikhil Kelkar of ESA Group, https://www.linkedin.com/posts/finocchiaro/PDT digital thread activity 7130848351205384193 TCG5. Thought leadership number 9 Michel Tellier of Dassault Systems, https://www.linkedin.com/posts/finocchiaro/digital threads digital twins PDT activity 7130855683746324480 YQPB. Eric Herzog of Saab talking about Helipal 2 PLM Federation, a call for action and contributions. https://www.linkedin.com/posts/finocchiaro/PDT digital thread activity 7130864614224879617OE9R. Model-based OEM/supplier collaboration needs an aviation industry driving toolchain requirements and tool provider selection by Hartmut Hinze of Airbus. https://www.linkedin.com/posts/finocchiaro/PDT digital thread activity 7130870921002639360HN6W. The Need for a Governance Digital Thread by Jos Voskuil. https://www.linkedin.com/posts/finocchiaro/PDT digital thread circular economy activity 7130899344261550081V2. Matthias Johansson of Eurostep talking about why a digital thread makes a lot of sense. https://www.linkedin.com/posts/finocchiaro/PDT digital thread activity 7130842246764554440INU. Enhanced digital thread for the Airbus A320 program by Frederic Ferru, PLM Senior Expert at Airbus. https://www.linkedin.com/posts/finocchiaro/PDT digital thread A320 activity 71309202306148659 YITS. UTM/source equals share and UTM/medium equals member /desktop. Final roundtable on AI moderated by Håkan Kardin and featuring Peter Bolello, Erdal Tekin, David Henstock, and Mikkel Hagren Brynildsen. https://www.linkedin.com/posts/finocchiaro/artificial intelligence digital threads activity 7130931062922186753 PFRA. #digital threads #CIMdata #Eurostep #Pturope #Finocchiaro Consulting.